Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel, and thank you for stopping by. So today we are going to be diving into the realm of vocal health. We're going to be spotlighting some of the most common vocal health issues that singers often face, and we'll be exploring some of the other ones over the next few weeks, but we'll be exploring their nature and characteristics, the recognizable symptoms that you need to be looking out for, the immediate steps that you need to take if you ever face these issues, and then the proactive prevention measures. So today we're going to be kicking off with a vocal condition that's known all too well, that is really common. If you're a singer, you've probably heard about these ones, which is vocal nodules. So before we get into it, let's first just understand what a normal, healthy pair of vocal cords look like. So here's a healthy pair of vocal cords. They are vibrant, they are beautiful in all their glory. Now, I want you to brace yourself for what nodules do to them. If you're squeamish, then I would advise that you look away now. So nodules always come in pairs, so you will never just have one rogue nodule. And they emerge due to friction, particularly in the middle third of the vocal cords, which is their prime contact point. Now they massively impact our singing voice, really preventing the vocal cords from coming together properly when singing. So they really just obstruct this process. But nodules are birthed from vocal cord trauma, and they form as a defense mechanism. So think of it like this. If you sing too loudly, too often, without proper technique over a period of weeks or even years, your vocal cords, they will start to thicken, much like how our feet develop calluses. So imagine starting a new running regimen. Your shoes at first may cause soft, water-filled blisters due to that friction. But if you give your feet a break, then those blisters, those soft blisters, they will heal, they will go away. But if you keep pushing through and you keep causing that friction, then those soft blisters, they're gonna harden and turn into calluses. And this is the same with our vocal cords under stress. At first, they develop soft nodules, and then if not treated, they will evolve into hard ones. So some of the common symptoms to really watch and listen out for when it comes to vocal cord nodules is hoarseness of the speaking and singing voice, decreased vocal range, and rapid vocal fatigue. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, please make sure that you consult with an ENT specialist so they can make a diagnosis on your voice and what's happening. Do not wait. Make sure that you get checked out as soon as possible, because sometimes we can just not get checked out because we're scared, because we don't want to know. But you know, if you do want any recommendations, then you can email me at info@voicesavvy.com, and I'd be happy to send over a list of some of the best ENTs in London, LA, and yeah, some other places. So let's talk about treatment of vocal cord nodules. So voice therapy is almost firstly recommended, but it all depends on the diagnosis. And this is all about voice production work, how to use the muscles involved in voice to create the best possible sound. And then next is voice hygiene interventions, and this is all about taking care of your vocal cords and just really keeping them free from irritants. And then in some cases, surgery may be required, but it's usually the last course of action given its risks, because every cut counts, and even minor errors can cause permanent damage to the voice. So whilst it's essential to really have faith in your surgeons, it's good to remember that they are only human, you know? So let's talk about some prevention methods. So here's some quick tips to really help prevent vocal cord nodules. So number one is warm up your voice. Just like any other muscle, easing into vocal activities can really prevent unnecessary strain. Number two is stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep those vocal cords well lubricated. And then number three is avoid excessive throat clearing or coughing, because this can really irritate the vocal cords. Number four is avoid smoking if you can, because it can be harmful in many ways, including your voice. And then number five is just learn proper vocal technique. Seek professional help if you need to, but learn proper technique. All right? Okay, so that's pretty much it for me. Look, this isn't about terrifying you. It's just all about bringing an awareness of these issues, and in this case, vocal nodules, and just recognizing and understanding, because it's all about prevention. Prevention is way better than cure. Your voice is so precious, so taking care of it is so essential. But like I said earlier, if you do suspect that you have nodules, then don't hesitate to seek professional help. You know, protect your voice and it will serve you well for years to come, I promise you. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you vibed with it, like and share it and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, leave your comments and questions below. I'd love to hear from you on this, and if you've ever, you know, experienced vocal cord nodules. But until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.